4x4 time here at Unique Specialty Classics. 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne, a regular cab, a long box 4x4. What a cool color combination done up on this one in this kind of moss green or a medium smoky green, along with the black wheels right via Goodrich radials. Nice look. Spray and bed liner, tonneau cover back there. We'll get around to that, check it out here in just a bit. One thing I want to point out before I forget too is you notice this nice billet grill up here and how clean it is. Typically you'd need to reach through here and undo your hood latch. With that grill, makes it a little bit tough with the fingers to get through there. So what there is if you look right here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's this black lever right here. You push that up, so you reach underneath the bumper, push that up, and that's an extension from that grill latch. So it makes it a lot easier to get her undone with that billet grill in there. All right, underneath the hood, newer small block Chevy, has been bored and stroked out to a 390 cubic inch displacement. Also has comp cams, roller rockers and lifters, 9-to-1 compression pistons, Phytech fuel injection. The restoration of this was actually done in phases over the last 10 years. And if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the underside of this truck, interior, bed of it, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. You take a look up and down the side of this. You can tell it's newer paint on it. Like I said, kind of interesting combo. Looks good with the black wheels and the kind of smoky or medium green paint. Interior does have Procar vinyl bucket seats that have been installed. Transfer case shifter is on the floor. Does have a turbo 350 automatic transmission paired up with that built Chevy V8. Again, tonneau cover, spray in bed liner, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Looks like a black Max. Brand made by X-Tang. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This truck was also originally power steering, power brakes, which it still has. AC was also on this truck when it came new. The AC was removed when the engine was put in, but it does appear that many of the components will go along with this as far as the compressor and what have you that is in a box. There's some miscellaneous parts, some gaskets, things like that will be in the bed of this truck and be shipped with it. And remember, you can see those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. Again, paint on it's newer, but you can see that there are some imperfections or maybe a little bit of particles in the clear, but overall it does have a nice luster to it, and you can tell it's fresher paint, kind of fitting of this truck as far as the look that it's going for. All right, check out the interior here. So you have the green and camel or beige combo going. It does have a switch down here I want to point out. Looks like it's for left and right fuel tank. I'm just going to reach up in and start it, probably the easiest. And again, it is that Phytech fuel injection, so it will pop right off. All right, I have had the AM radio working, factory radio, that was working. Wipers do work, and also horn. I want to take a look at these seats, still retaining the factory seat belts. And again, Procar seats, vinyl buckets. They show up a little bit lighter on the video. They are more of a saddle color than cream. If I get further away, kind of give you a little bit better idea, like right there, there you go. That's kind of the true color. As I get up on top of it, it does start to wipe them out. So I'll give you an idea on the interior. All right, slip around to the back so you hear this run. See, we got the sliding rear window also. A little rumble coming out of that small block Chev, no doubt about it. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. It'll take me both hands to get that hood open. So So give me a second. Let's check out this engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, let's see what we got going on under here. Again, power brakes, power steering, like Jake's aluminum heads, along with that engine build. Edelbrock intake, along with that 5-step carb, HEI ignition. Nice setup underneath there, and again, poured and stroked out to 390 cubic inch displacement. And you can see some of the components here for the AC, and then there is a box of others that will be going with it if anybody ever wanted to put the AC back on it. They're going for a little more of a horsepower than they were comfort, I believe, when they're doing this build. There you go, looking for a 4x4. Doesn't look like everybody else is in the crowd. Here you go, 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne regular cab long box 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, so we'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.